Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles under $75? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles under $75 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. JOOLA Agassi Pickleball Paddle. The JOOLA Agassi Edge 16mm pickleball paddle is a high-performance option designed for players who want precision, spin, and consistency on the court. Featuring a 16mm core with a textured carbon fiber surface, it provides excellent control while still allowing for strong spin generation. Its unique Agassi shape shifts the sweet spot upward for better reach and leverage on high shots, making it especially appealing to players with a tennis background. The paddle measures 16.5 inches long and 7.5 inches wide, with a 5.5-inch handle and a comfortable 4.25-inch grip circumference, weighing around 7.8 ounces for a balanced feel. Certified by both UPAA and USAP, it is tournament approved and comes NFC chip enabled for authentication and easy registration. Built for players who want a blend of control, spin, and extended sweet spot performance, the JOOLA Agassi Edge offers a modern and competitive edge on the court. Number 2. Roore Pet Surface Pickleball Paddle. The Roore Pet Titanium Surface Thermoformed and Edge Foam 16mm pickleball paddle is a high-performance paddle designed to blend power, control, and durability. It features a titanium PET carbon fiber weave surface, layered over carbon fiber, which aims to deliver a crisp, precise hitting feel and enhanced spin potential. The paddle uses a thermoformed construction, meaning heat-formed molding for structural strength, and includes edge foam injection around the perimeter to expand the sweet spot, reduce vibration, and improve stability. Its core is a 16mm honeycomb, composite/polypropylene structure, giving it a balance of control and responsiveness. The paddle is built with a hybrid shape, midway between wide and elongated, for versatility and is optimized for players who want a spin-friendly, durable paddle with a forgiving sweet spot. Number 3. Dr. Pickleball T700 Carbon. The Dr. Pickleball T700 carbon fiber paddle is built with a thick 20mm polypropylene honeycomb core that enhances control, soft touch, and shot consistency, making it a great option for players who prioritize precision over pure power. Its T700 carbon fiber surface adds durability, responsiveness, and high spin potential thanks to its textured finish, while the extra thickness increases dwell time for better ball placement. Measuring about 16.5 inches long and 7.4 inches wide, it offers a forgiving sweet spot with a stable feel, and the comfortable, non-slip grip ensures reliable handling during extended play. Though its edge guard provides durability, some users report signs of wear over time, but overall, this paddle is designed to deliver a balanced mix of control, spin, and comfort for serious pickleball players. Number 4. Warping Ascent Pickleball Paddles. The Warping Point Ascent Pickleball Paddle features a carbon fiber face paired with a hexapolymer core, designed to deliver a crisp, responsive feel along with excellent spin and balance. It incorporates an arrow throat to reduce drag and boost swing speed, enhancing maneuverability for fast-paced play. The paddle's textured grit surface helps grip the ball for better spin control, while its unibody or thermoformed construction, with foam-injected walls, improves durability, vibration dampening, and expands the effective sweet spot. USAPA approval is often cited, making it suitable for tournament use. Number 5. Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The carbon fiber thermoformed T703K raw carbon textured pickleball paddle is engineered for players seeking a high-performance blend of spin, power, and control. Its construction utilizes a thermoformed T700 carbon fiber face layered with 3K raw carbon texture, which enhances the paddle's responsiveness and spin grip. The core is a 16mm Roore-powered polymer/composite core, designed to balance pop with stability. USAPA approval ensures this paddle is tournament legal. With its refined build, it's intended to deliver a harmonious combination of raw power, precise control, and fluid balance, making it well suited for players who demand versatility and reliability at every shot.